Here, start. All right, got the queen. She's looking good. She's nice and healthy in there. And the bees. Check out the ball, babe. Alright, I'll get the bees about a foot from the entrance or so. They're actually pretty mellow considering I'm shaking them all around, right? Set that by the entrance, take the queen, then I'll wash the queen down into the bees so that they can start getting attracted to her. Slide this forward and close it off. Close it up before the bees climb up the sides. Get in there. Don't want to smash any of them. Smashing is where they start to get displeased. And bees only have one way of showing their displeasure. Even if you knock them around, they're a lot cooler with it.